All right, y'all, what's up? So right now, I just finally got the super rare spoiler for my Jzx100. It's a TRD. Hold on. So it's a TRD spoiler and trunk. It's just the trunk is pretty the trunk is like the same, but like it's the wing that came on the trunk from factory. So it's not like I'm gonna be putting my own holes inside of my trunk, you know what I mean? But yo, so excited, man. This trunk looks super badass. It's pearl white, so it's already gonna match the car, which was awesome. So I don't know if you guys know anything about what these kind of trunks go for and like what shipping prices is from Japan. So I paid $830 for the trunk by itself. That's pretty good. I'm like, yeah, that's really good. I'm happy with that. But then I'm thinking shipping's gonna be like maybe $400 or $500. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a big wing and trunk, but you know what I mean? Like I'm thinking $500, 600 max. So the part gets to the Bai JP warehouse. They start giving me that shipping quote, and so they started giving me that shipping quote, and the shipping quote was $1,400 for the shipping. So I ended up having to pay the $1,400, and the part, I don't know if they expressed it. I'm gonna check that out on the receipt, but I think they expressed it from Japan, from their warehouse, and I think that's why it was so much. It was probably like Worldwide Express or something like that, because it came from Narita, Japan. That's where it flew out at. But yeah, once I get to the shop, I'm gonna let you guys know. Once I get to the shop, I'm gonna put the camera back on and probably set it up on the tripod so you guys can see me unbox and see the spoiler. Bro, it's so badass. I can't wait for you guys to see. Like, I've been so excited for this. So excited for this. Like, my first aero part for the car. Oh my gosh. And it's a cool one. Man, this is exciting. I'm really excited. So right now, I'm unboxing the TRD spoiler for the Chaser. So this spoiler is going to be going on right there. All right, y'all, so we got the TRD spoiler and trunk finally from Japan. I'm thinking it looks pretty good. Yeah, but it does not look the same color as this trunk. It's not like fully matched at all. This one's definitely whiter, I think. Maybe not, actually. Thomas, do those trunks look the same color to you from right there?
Yeah, yours looks whiter.
It does look whiter, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks more like a cream white.
Yeah. It looks the same online.
No, it's chipped up. You're wrong. Repainted.
Yeah, it's super chipped up. The seller did not disclose this, but it's...
It could have got fucked up in the shipping, you know?
Yeah. But it's definitely all chipped up in a lot of
I
places.
ordered a hood one time and it came out fucked up.
Yeah.
And it was a brand new one.
Damn. We also... Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. Whew. It's not even a chip, but it's a break. Holy hell. That's pretty bad. But, wow, $2,200. That's a lot of damage. But, hey, oh my. It's fucking cracked. That's worth it. Still a beautiful trunk. All right, so I got the Jzx100 TRD trunk wrapped up because I'm gonna put it away until I can get it painted and just everything fixed. Because there's quite a few cracks and stuff that I don't want to run with it right now. But if I do end up getting the car painted, because I'm gonna do a different color than white. I think I'm gonna get rid of the white. It might get like black maybe, or I don't know, not midnight purple, something more dark, or like an olive green. I don't know yet, but